Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, this is quick news. A quick little sum up of all the automotive news from the last few days, so let's get started. We'll go with BMW first, and they announced a full electric M car. And the M cars, those are basically the most high performance variants of all their models, and they usually have giant engines shoved into a smaller vehicle, and this is just going to be all electric. And a lot of reports are saying that basically that i4 concept that came out last year will basically be very similar to what we see. Now that i4 concept had a big kidney grille and some pretty bold, wild styling. We see that they've used some of this styling already. We'll see how close to the concept it truly is when it comes out. Let's go to Buick. And for 2021, the Buick Envision, it's all new. And it looks pretty good, guys. That front end, really classy. I like what they're doing with the headlights there. And the side profile. A good silhouette, pretty good body lines. The tail end, nice good tail lights. They're narrow and they get a little bit wider in the ends. It's a classy look. And the interior, way better material quality. I like how the dash is kind of facing the driver. It's a cool cockpit design. And like I said, premium materials and good tech. Nice big touch screens, heads-up displays. Lots of good features here. And I think it'll be a good seller for them. It comes standard with a 2-liter turbo engine. It makes about 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. That's pretty good from a 4-cylinder turbo. And it's going to be about $33,000 starting off. So it'll be a pretty good vehicle. And their bigger vehicle, the Enclave, which is their 3-road crossover, that got a little facelift too for a mid-cycle refresh. Front end as well as the rear end have been changed, and it feels more at home with the new Envision. Now after Buick, well, let's go to Ford real quick. Basically, Ford has some rumors as well as a few reports saying that the next generation Mustang, well, it'll be full electric. For like 2028 model, so maybe 2028 coming out as a 2029 model, all electric Mustang. I'm showing you guys pictures of the lithium Mustang concept that was at the SEMA show. Ford actually had a company build that vehicle for them. And that vehicle had 900 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque. It actually had a manual transmission. They said it's easy to have just a single automatic or a single gear automatic transmission or have a manual transmission as you go through it. So at least you'd have a manual possibly in this next Mustang, but you're going to lose the sound. So if you're someone that likes combustion engines like I do, go out there and buy a V8 Mustang right now, just in case this is true. But after that, let's go to Dodge. And we all know the Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is an amazing SUV. It's a large crossover, 3rd row, and it has all that power, over 700 horsepower, and it's sold out. They only made 2,000 units. They're already all called for, which is unfortunate because I wish they'd just keep making more of these because obviously I can't afford it. But you know, 10 years down the line, seeing some of these with higher miles might be a good used vehicle. Now that's basically a nice little sum up of everything I had for you. I actually took a few things out because I might make their own small little videos, so stay tuned to see those. And if you haven't already, and you want to, check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. I talk about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs. A little bit of everything. And please, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you guys for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one.